Mwati twalanu amenshi lero. Nao tatoayanwe. Kwa yo, awe. I just want to make a notice that I'll come back at 20 hours to talk a little bit more about this issue here about Edgar Lungu. I will come back at 20 hours to talk a little bit more at 20 hours. In the meantime, I want to monitor the celebrations that are currently going on. To you, it seems like Mwawina, you are so happy, you are taunting us, you are ridiculing us, Muletu seka, teapa, whatever. But really, what have you won? What have you won? Those of you who are busy chanting, jumping around like monkeys, the question is, what have you really won? What have you won? What have you won? What has Zambia won? This is not about, individuals. This is not about Hakainde Hichilema. This is not about Chilufetayali. This is not about, the Attorney General. This is about our country. This is about our country. And so, with what has happened, the question that I'm asking you, what has Zambia won? What have you done to our country? What message are you sending to the people out there about our country? What message? Pala mule chankwa, mule toloka, mule sabaila. The question that I am asking you, what has Zambia won? What message are you sending to the people out there? What message are you sending? What message? What message have you sent to the outside world? What message have you sent? What has Zambia really won? Is this about patriotism? Is this about patriotism? Is this about the love that you have been preaching? Zambia a Christian nation. Zambia a Christian nation. Even declaring a day of prayer and reconciliation. Does this really manifest? Does this manifest what we are talking about here? Ukushika walungu ku South Africa, will it show that Christianity? Will it show Zambia as a country that preserves its history? Anyway, Twalasa under 20 hours. Twalasa under 20 hours. For now, I just wanted you, mule tontonkanya, 20 hours, kaina la isurama phone. Na la isurama phone, wonse mwale foku tuma, muisa munjeweko. What Zambia has benefited, what message we are showing to the outside world. Na la isurama phone. So that's muisa munjewatao nomba so ichalo chesu, chakosa. If you know mbepiso, nga tuwashika Edgar Lungu kulia, awa nomba ifwe, abena Zambia balambo kula tukumbwa. Ndefa muisa munjeweko. What have you? Because those of us who were fighting that we bury in Zambia, it was about patriotism. It was about showing love. It was about, protecting our history, our heritage as a country. If you want chita, or if you know mbachava, tuwebe niko ubunonshi, olo bukankala, buli pali ifimulefu ukuchita, ukushika walungu ku South Africa. Bukankala nshibuli po. Fisu manshi muleleta kuchalo. Finshi mulelanga kubeka la chalo bambi. Anyway, they can in the kokulanda. Na asanda pa 20 hours. Pa 20 hours upon ala salanda. For now, I just wanted to give you a notice. Elon day salanda. Inshallah, ndei kala mpaka ndole le 20 hours. Ntampo kulanda. Apa, necho nchilefo okukonkanya po ndefo okobati ndisendisula amafoni mutampa okutuma mwise mutwebeko ifimule chita ifimwala chita ubukankala the value, the goodness, the goodness you have done to our country, what message you are sending to the outside world. That is what I want you to come and tell me. That is why I'm not going to continue with my live now. I'll do it at 20 hours so that you send it to my phone. Inshallah, and then I think nimemulelanda mwise mutampo kutuseka wonse mwabaleseka mwise mutampo kuseka museke but at the end of the day mutwebeko, what have you done to our country? What message are you sending to the outside world? 20 hours.